Alright, Sammy Gabriels, I'm gonna hold you to this. Y'all wanted a carpet test, so here it is. I have 3 different groups for this test. I have loose rice on the carpet, I have a straight line, and then I have one on a different carpet. For this test, I'm going to be using the second power setting out of 3 because I feel like that's what majority of people are going to be using on this vacuum. As you can see on the loose rice test, it did short work of it. Now on to the thick line. In my previous video, we did this exact same test, but on hardwood, and absolutely smashed it. And that's exactly what it did here. As you can see, there is no rice left at all. But will it hold up against this carpet right here? This carpet has longer hair. I don't know what you would call it. It's thicker, I guess you could say. So this one, I did have to push a little bit harder, but I feel like that's normal for these kinds of carpets. I ended up picking it up right here and shaking it off, and a little bit did come off, and I did push a little bit off the end, but honestly, for the amount of rice I put on there, it did great. Homeika cordless vacuum definitely passes the carpet test, so it is going to remain a 10 out of 10 in my opinion until you guys give me a test that it fails. If you are interested, make sure you go grab one down below, but as always, thank you all so much for watching. My name's Jeremy, and I test things before you have to buy them. If there's something you want me to test, comment it down below or reach to me in my DMs. Y'all have a good day.